Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to one and all. This video I'm going to represent my project which is assigned by respected Chandrasekhar sir, and here is my principal ma'am. So here myself Vaishnavi, roll number 1 from the stream of science from batch session 2020 to 2022, and my topic is information communication technology and its role in language, mathematics and environmental learning. So here we go. So this is my topic, and first we will see the general overview of this topic and then we go simply through the slides. So as we all know that we are living in a knowledge-based society where power and progress of the nation is majorly determined by how we use technologies to spread the knowledge to the entire land. And we also know that we are very forwardly moving with in the field of science and technology at very fast rate, and thus ancient or former techniques are not enough to spread that vast knowledge across the world, across the country. So that's why we originated this information and communication sector. So first question arises in everyone's mind that what is this ICT and what is its basic concepts. So let's move to the next slide to quench our curiosity, and then we will simply go through the slides. So concept of ICT, information technology that can help in coping with the information explosion. Information technology is the acquisition, processing, storage and dissemination of vocal, pictorial, textual and numerical information by a microelectronics based combination of computing and telecommunication. So let's move to the next slide to know about components of an ICT system. So first component is people, which is the most vital component of this ICT system. Data. Third one is procedures. Fourth one is software and hardware. And fifth one is information. So let's go through the next slide to see scope of ICT in teaching learning process. So first point is ICT is defined as the combination of informatics technology with other related technologies, specifically communication technology. Second point is ICT can serve as a resource for the teacher to obtain rapid information on the student, work and progress. And the last point is it enhances the quality of a teacher using technology in pedagogy. So now go through the next slide to see the importance of ICT. So first point is it promotes creative learning. For example, poems and songs, crafts, etc. Second one is children construct their own understanding by ICT, by constructivist learning. So as for your knowledge, I'll tell you that what is constructivist learning. So it is a type of learning in which students make their own understanding and their own experiences, because they can access information in just a one click, so they can easily go through all. So the third point is development in teaching techniques. Fourth one is act as an online class platform. So yeah, there are various apps are also available which provides this platform for teaching and learning. Some of them are Byju's, Topper and Academy. So they are. Fifth one is helps in teacher training program and educational research. And sixth one is useful in educational administration. So let's move to the next slide to see importance of ICT in language learning. So here's the first point. It provides an outside platform for language learning. So yeah, I can make you understand this by giving an example. So suppose there is an recorded audio clip which is recorded by the language expert, and students can easily copy that and learn the words and accent of that language, that particular language. So the next point is teacher can explore other domains like e-journals, e-magazines, etc. in teaching process, and they can also share their experiences with their students. Third one is it enhances language speaking skill and also improves pronunciation and grammar. And fourth point, it helps in translation of language so that we can understand and also learn different languages. Fifth one is it ensures correct evaluation of language skill of students. So in the next slide, we will come to know about the role of ICT in mathematics learning. So Here we go. First one. Various mathematical softwares are available which helps in learning of algebra, geometry, calculus, statistics. For example, GeoGebra and Maths Fun, and there are many more. Second one is helps in providing 2D, 3D diagrams, charts, symbols in more efficient way. Third one is it also plays a vital role in teaching process. And fourth one is the ranking of India is improved in PISA, Program for International Students Assessment, only and only due to ICT. PISA is an exam at international level where knowledge of science, maths, and reading is being checked of students till the age of 15 years. So that's all for the mathematics learning. Now, the role of ICT in environmental learning in the next slide. So ICT helps in providing enormously amount of videos and pictures which provides understanding of the physical experiments carried out in laboratories. Second one is virtual field trips could provide opportunities for students to explore beyond the limits of their classrooms and their place at particular time. Third one is students can also explore virtual world of extinct species and environmental conditions at that time, and we can also probably predict nearly or upcoming future. Fourth one is teachers can also explore environmental topics and also add their own experience to presentation and share it with their students. And the last point is research regarding environment can also be done with the help of ICT. So that's all for the environmental learning. Now we will give a look to the disadvantages of ICT. So the limitations are, first one, risk of cyber hackings and attacks. So yeah, it's very common nowadays that some websites are being hacked and its information are being misused. Second one is in remote areas there is not a proper connection of internet. That's why it is somehow inaccessible for students and teachers also. Third one is tools of ICT and its appliances are quite expensive. Yeah, it's right. And that's why schools or colleges requires funding from government. Fourth point can also cause distraction to students. So yeah, it's true, and that's why proper guidance of parents and teachers should be highly required. And fifth one, it is cause major health issues. So it can cause, a problem in eyes, and it also deteriorates mental health. So in my opinion, disadvantage should be minimized and manageable by human activities, so we can use it effectively. So that's all for the video. Hope you liked it, and special thanks to Chandrasekhar sir who motivated us a lot so that we can make such a knowledge seeking video on such topic. So thank you so much sir, and thank you all. Bye bye.